Harley with Biggs Harley Davidson. Take a look at this Pan America. 5,200 miles. This bike is new. This bike looks like it's hardly been ridden. Take a look at the tires.